Right then, Billy, so your best mark so far is 64, which was in a paper 1. Your best paper 2 is 42. So if we can get anywhere near 70, I'm going to be a happy man. Let's see how you do. That's a good start. Full marks on that first page. Well done. Now, unfortunately here, you've correctly put that in the right place for 320, but then you're saying that they weigh 310. Your method then is spot on, except what's happened is you've misread that as 610 as well, meaning you've ended up with exactly the right answer, even though you've misread the scale. Each one of those little tick marks, you've got 5 jumps between 0 and 100, so each one of them is 20, not 10. So of the 5 marks there, you're communicating well, but you are going to lose a mark for misreading that. 67 is too high. They're accepting a range between 57 and 63, so yours is too high, but after that what you've done with it is correct, so you'll get 2 out of 3 there. 6 for that page. That's not bad. It's a bit wobbly there, should be coming more of a curve, but I think you'd get the 2 for that. That one's right, this one isn't. The diameter would go all the way across through the center. That's a diameter. If it's not going through the center, it's called a chord. That's 92, that's fine. That's a little bit out, okay? Perpendicular, line up one of these to make sure the edge is at right angles. In fact, you took a set square out of the box when you started, when you came into the classroom. So you actually had a line which would line up at 90 degrees exactly. So it's too bad that you dropped that mark. So what have I got? 0, 1, 0, 4 for the page. Two, 3, 2, 17.5. So you need to check your reading off of that. And this one, again, you need to put it in order first. It's not 3. It's 4.5, 4, 3.53, and there isn't a 2.5. Yes, there is, sorry, 2.5. No, you're sorry, I can see what you've done. You've read the wrong one. In Swansea, Swansea is the dark grey one. So anyway, it's wrong. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Well done. 5, 8 for the page. 1 minus 4, good. 2, 4, 6, 8 there. Oh, that's times by minus 3, not divide by minus 3. 4 times 3 is 12. You're going in the wrong direction. You work that way. Unlucky. That's 5, that's 11. Yeah, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13 for the page. 45 take away 24. Unfortunately, it isn't 47. Sorry, it isn't 45, it should be 47. You take a year off their ages and it would be 45 for you. That's right, but it'll give you the same thing. If you're taking a year off both ends, the range will be the same. So you'll get 1 mark there because that's right for you. For your incorrect part 1, that is the right thing to do, but you've messed up the subtraction. That's correct. That's correct. 7.5 centimeters. You then got to use the scale, so you'll only get 1 mark for that. So 4.8 for the page. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. And so is that. Well done. Good and good. Right, you've reflected that in that line, which is the line x equals 0. The line y equals 1 is the line where the y coordinate is always 1. So that's the line y equals 1. So this reflection will go down there. You get 1 for a correct reflection. With this one, you've correctly enlarged it, but not from that centre. From that centre, to go from there to there, you're going up 1 across 3. So in the enlargement, you'll be going up 2 across 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, which is there. So that point should be there. Yes, good. 4, 7. This is good. 20% of the first is that. Then you're taking that off. Excellent. Well done. And that's correct. And with this one, that is what you're going to be doing. And you're going to add all of those together and divide by 31. So your method is going to be right, but you haven't finished it off. So 6, 10 for that. And then this one, final question, 25185, 226655, 22650, 203998. So the last thing that you have to do is you want to work out how much money has been lost. So you take the final value of the car away from the original. So you haven't finished the last bit. This is pretty good. I reckon you were very likely to be there or thereabouts with 70. 12, 18, 22, 30, 43, 51, 60, 67, 77, 80. Got to be happy with that. Got to be happy with that. Well done, Billy. That's really, really strong performance.